What's up everybody, Noah from Stage 3 Motorsports, and today we're going to be taking a look at these EBC brake kits for the F150 and Raptor. So we're going to run through a couple of the details, talk about what you get when you order one of these kits, and let's jump right into it. The kit I have laid out here in front of me is one of EBC's complete systems, which basically means that you're going to get a set of 2 front rotors, 2 rear rotors, as well as a full set of pads all the way around. Now the design here with these rotors is that they're cast iron with basically precision machining and this slotted design around the face, which you can kind of see here. The rotors also feature EBC's thermic black coating around the outside, and this essentially is just another barrier to help prevent corrosion over time and keep your rotors in top shape. Now, when selecting an EBC brake kit for your truck, you actually have 3 different options of pads from EBC. The first one is their green stuff, which is basically designed to be a little bit better than the factory pads, so you have some increased stopping power while also producing less dust. This is a really good all-around option if you're just looking for a small upgrade that also is going to improve braking power with new rotors. It's very simple, very easy. The pads are the same size as stock, so everything's going to fit just the way it should. The next tier up is going to be EBC's yellow stuff pads, which are essentially designed to have better braking power than the green stuff for those of you that do a little bit more spirited driving or use your vehicles a little bit more intensely. Overall, it's a really good upgrade, but they will create a little bit more dust than the green stuff pads tend to do. Lastly, EBC has an extra duty set of pads, which are typically marked with orange, and these are designed for the most extreme applications and are going to be ideal for those that either drive very spiritedly or also do a lot of heavy towing and hauling and need the best stopping power possible and best heat dissipation possible. With that, obviously there is going to be a little bit more dust involved there, and the wear is a little different on these pads, but like the other 2 sets, they are still going to simply install into the factory calipers that you have on your vehicle, so there aren't any huge changes. It's more so just a matter of selecting the pad that's right for your application. Overall, these EBC brake kits are an excellent option for anybody that's either looking to replace some worn out factory braking equipment on their truck or somebody who wants to improve their braking power for use off-road or towing. So if you are interested in picking up one of these kits for your truck, you can head down that description below, click the links, it'll shoot you over to our website, and I'll see you guys next time.